Well, hello and welcome to another video. This week it's only a short video just to show you the other kind of pond work that I can carry out for you. You've seen me create ponds from scratch, you've seen me do the clean outs. This job coming up started off as just needing a clean out, but they did mention to me that they were losing some water. So as I started looking a bit deeper into the pond, this liner has had it. You'll see there's holes all over the place and it's about 20 years old. It's the sort of cheaper plastic brittle, it's gone brittle over the years type one. So you'll see me renewing that and putting in an Aquascape EPDM 1.15mm liner with an underlay, bit of overlay on top, and then I've had to redo all the edging because it was fixed in a formal style with the blocks. You'll see all that coming up. Like I say, it's just a short video, but it's to show you that I can repair any issues with your existing ponds if you don't want a new pond created. Thanks very much.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away.